Tonight it is my pleasure to be associated with the opening of Regional Station 5AL. This station will ultimately make available to Alice Springs a composite program drawn from our national and interstate network. The opening of this station is another milestone in the development of national radio service in Australia. It has been indicated earlier that it is planned that ultimately throughout the country there will be established national regional stations serving the needs of the people living out back. It's true that regionals have not been established as rapidly as we had hoped. The war was the major cause of this setback. The Commission is now heartened by the number of stations opened for service recently to believe that within a relatively short time, another 20 stations similar to this will further expand our contact with the people of Australia. This medium is not regarded solely on its entertainment value. The Commission believes that the service value of its program is at least as important as the other features. This is particularly true of regionals serving isolated country areas. We hope our news service, rural and children's broadcast will be appreciated by listeners in and around Alice Springs as they are in other areas. Realize this station in contact and service can never be intimate to the degree achieved by, say, the Flying Doctor service. But we do sincerely hope that this station will serve this area in a satisfying manner.